is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We are looking at what could be the world's fastest WLToys 104009, and inside it I have one of everyone's favorite budget systems for brushless motors. I got this off of Amazon. This is a 5200 kV sensorless brushless motor with a 120 amp ESC. So this thing is definitely powered and ready to go. I just wanted to go over what I did to it to make it brushless. It's super simple, super easy, and I'll show you where everything is and how to connect it all. So first things first, this video is being shot on the Insta360 Go2. I have it attached to my hat as shown, so I am completely hands-free. Got this awesome POV for you guys to look at. This is the carrying case that it comes in, which is also a remote. If you want to take a look at these, this is my recommended action camera for RC car stuff. I'll leave a link down below to that. So getting back to the car, we have our 120 amp ESC right up top. I took off the stock electronics. It was really easy to do. So this ESC is just stuck on here with some of this double-sided, it's called Nano-Tape tape. I also really recommend this for RC car stuff. I use it for my speed runs. I put the M3 GPS on there and it does not go anywhere. This stuff is awesome. You can wash it and use it over and over again, so this stuff's really cool. Okay, so getting back to the car. ESC is right on top. I have the connector for it funneled into the battery tray. This goes right in here, so you can pull that in and out if you want. I have the on-off switch stuck right there. I have my brushless motor right in here. This was really easy to take apart. If you watch my breakdown video of this car, I'll link it up above. You can see how to take out all of these screws. All you got to do is take off this center brace here, and there's two screws that hold the motor in on this motor plate, and you will also need to unscrew these two screws on the bottom here, and the motor plate will come out, and you can unscrew your motor, take out the brushed one, take off the stock pinion of the brushed motor, and put it right on here. It's a direct fit. This is a 3.1 millimeter shaft motor, so that was completely ready to fit right in this vehicle. So again, stock pinion, stock spur gear. I haven't changed anything else besides the electronics. Going over to the servo, this is a standard size servo. This is an Arrma ADS 7M 7 kg servo. I just had it lying around. It fit right in there. I believe this is a 25 tooth servo horn. So if you're looking to upgrade your servo, you will need to upgrade your servo to go brushless, because the stock servo is a 5 wire. So this is a 3 wire, as well as the ESC. And I have everything, all the electronics going into a Tactic TR326 receiver that is connected to a Tactic TTX 300 remote. I'm using this only because I had it lying around, and no other real reason. I will link this radio and receiver down below. I'll also link a super cheap one if you guys want to get that. The Dumbo RC ones, people really recommend those. If I had one lying around, I definitely would have put that in there as well. And I can also show you that all of the lights to this car still work, which is a really cool feature. So the stock lights, this is all stock, all this wiring. And what I did was I cut off the wiring harness from this thing, and I'll show you guys right in here. I have it plugged into the receiver in the channel 3 spot. So I had one of these little connectors lying around. This plugs right into the receiver, and the lights for the body, this is the stock little connector there. That goes directly into this little board here, and all of the lights work. As you'll notice, I did have to take out the two guys that go in the body. These little guys, they were holding back some room in the car that I needed to free up to fit this ESC. This sits really high on the body, unfortunately, and there really isn't anywhere else to fit it. So I had to take these guys off. There are a couple screws that you have to take off, and this goes on like so. I think it's better. You'll have some airflow through there, and yeah, that's all you really need to do to change this thing to brushless. I didn't have any issues like I've had with some of the other WLToys ones. Everything came off nice and easy. The motor came out nice and easy. None of the screws stripped, which was great. Fingers crossed that you guys have the same luck that I do. And yeah, so again, watch the video where I tear this thing down. We go through the front and rear differentials and do some other maintenance before you want to run this thing. You especially want to do that if you're going to turn this thing to brushless, because it'll help it run a lot more smoothly. A 3S battery in this thing and get over to our speed run place. Alright guys, so I have a ton of crap going on right now, but let me try and explain it to you all. Lights are fully functional, which is good. So we got steering, we have our Milan M3 GPS set up. We also have the Mavic Air 2S flying around. I'm going to get this thing started here. And let's do some speed runs. This is a 3S battery. Make sure we have this thing trimmed up. Oh yeah, this thing can do wheelies on demand now. If you remember the stock speed run, this thing was pretty underwhelming. I think this is going to be a lot quicker. Whoa! That was full speed for a really long time. Oh my God. That is quick. Wheelies on demand. Oh! Wow. That was definitely full speed. See those tires ballooning. Let's bring this thing back here. This thing almost does bunny hops like the Max. Look at this thing. Let's see that speed run. Oh my God. 55 miles an hour. We might have to run this on 4S. Let's get another speed run in there. Oh my God. This thing was cruising. I'm gonna put this little Insta360 on here and you'll get some POV shots of this thing basically lifting off the ground. Whoa! Oh! Ooh! Seems to be okay. Let's see if our speed run was going there. Yeah, it was. We got our drone doing its thing. Might be done. Nope, still doing its thing. Oh my God. I can't believe this thing hit 55. That's crazy. Here we go. See if we can keep it under control here. Full speed. Oh, oh my God. Did you see that thing lift off? I can't believe how fast this is going. This thing's amazing. If you're gonna go brushless, I would not hesitate. 52 that time, so this battery's a smaller battery. It might be losing some juice, but max speed 55 miles an hour? Are you kidding me? Well guys, this thing is absolutely out of control on brushless 3S, and I just realized that it was pulling to one side because I completely snapped one of the CVDs in the front. As you can see, that one's there, and this whole unit not only snapped off but disappeared. So that's why this car is pulling to one side. Looks like I might have to convert this thing to rear wheel drive unless I pull one of the spare parts off of the other one that I bought. I don't think I'm going to find it anywhere around here, and even if I do, it's snapped in half. So we're going to end the video there. 55 miles an hour on 3S brushless. Let me know what you guys think. Is this thing worth upgrading? I'll leave a link down to this camera down below, everything I used in this video, and we'll see you in the next one.